Marshall coming at you with our problem of the day for April 2nd, 2020. This is the first time I have used this technology, so we're going to try our best to figure this out together. As you can tell, I have set up my problem-solving board with my problem, my information section, my work section, and my final answer section. At this time, please pause the video and get out a sheet of paper and make it look like mine. I'll wait. I'm still waiting. Go do it. I'm not kidding. All right. So hopefully you're back and you have your piece of paper that looks just like my beautiful screen. I want you to make sure you write the problem down. Sorry, I don't have a piece of paper that you can glue down right now. All right, so write the problem. It's like 4 sentences by Jesus. You can write it down. All right. So we have our problem written down as I avoid text messages coming in for me. I've got my problem written down, so let's read it together. Read it with me. Gosh, it's like we're in class. Read it with me, everybody. On Monday, Sam read for 87 minutes. On Tuesday, he read 69 minutes. On Wednesday, he read 72 minutes. How many more minutes did Sam read on Tuesday and Wednesday than he read on Monday? So, think about it one more time as you read it. Does it sound like a 1-step or a 2-step problem? It would be like Dora. I think it's a 2-step problem. So let's see, what information do we already know? So we know that Monday, he read for 87 minutes, right? And that Tuesday, he read for how many minutes? 69 minutes. And for Wednesday, he read for 72 minutes. What my question's asking me is, do I just figure out how much he read Tuesday and Wednesday? Because I do need to know that. It says Tuesday and Wednesday. So that means I'm going to combine those two, right? So I want to add Tuesday with Wednesday. Then, what do I want to do? That's 1 step, but guess what? It's a 2-step problem. Because it has that key word that's underlined here that says than. You guys know usually if it says more and then than, what are we doing? We're subtracting, right? So we're going to add Tuesday and Wednesday together and then subtract Monday. Beautiful. All right, so let's do that first part down here. Let me see if I can get my pen out. I'm doing this with a mouse, so my work's not going to be perfect. So my first step is that I am going to add Tuesday and Wednesday. So Tuesday and Wednesday, let's see, that's 69 minutes and 72 minutes. So we're going to do 69 plus 72. Well, number talk it out. You can figure out that I can decompose 69 into 60 and 9 and 72 into 70 and 2. So 60 plus 70 equals 130. 2 plus 9 equals 11. So 130 plus 11 equals what? What would then be my sum? It'd be 141. Is 141 my final answer? Good, I should have heard a resounding no. No, it's not my answer. Because guess what? I then have to subtract Monday. So I'm going to erase this real quick because I don't have room. So make sure your first part looks like mine. So I'm going to erase this real quick. A bigger eraser. Here you go. And then we're going to do the second part. So we had 141. So So we have 141 minus, what was Monday again? Monday was 87 minutes. I erased it, but that'll be all right. 87. Now, there's a lot of ways you can go about this. You can do it old school, like I know a lot of you will, but guess what? You're going to have to borrow twice. Scratch that. You're going to have to regroup twice. Don't say the word borrow. You have to regroup twice. I don't want to do that. That's way too much work. But I can make it way easier. Let's do it this way. Let's decompose this real quick. Actually, I don't want to decompose it. I'm going to do it my favorite strategy, add to subtract. So if I have 87 and I'm going to add something to it to get to 100, what do I need to add? Because 100's a friendly number. You're right, I can add 13, right? Because 87 plus 13 equals 100. But remember, I got to get all the way to 141. So, what do I have to add to 100 to get to 141? See, baby, that's easy. I add 41. So 100 plus 41 equals 141. Now we see what two numbers we added to see how long it took us to get there. So what's 13 plus 41? Simple, easy sauce. That is 54. So, for my friends that did it old school, because I guarantee there's some of y'all out there, let's check to see if you were right. So I'm going to erase this real quick. I can find my erase. Here it is. So, like I said, we want to do 141 minus 87. So let's see if we can kick it old school style. 1 minus 87. Now, I can't take 7 away from 1, can I? Nope, so I got to go to the tens and regroup. So my 4 becomes a 3, and my 1 becomes an 11. Can I take 7 away from 11? Yeah. 11 minus 7 is what? 4. Good. Now we go to my 10 spot. I have 3 tens, and I got to take away 8 tens. Can I take away 8 tens from 3 tens? Nope. So I go to the hundreds and regroup, and now I have 13 tens. I can take 8 tens from 13 tens. How many do I got left? Good. I have 5 tens left. Boop. And I still, guess what? Got 54. So, is 54 my final answer? I better hear a resounding yes, because it is. So, let's go over and put that in our final answer box. As I scoot over. Here we go. So Sam read for 54 more minutes on Tuesday and Wednesday than there we go. Than he read on Monday. Bam! There we go. Now I'm going to make sure that you have both steps. You had that first step where we added Tuesday and Wednesday, and the second step. All right, my final answer is 54. Good job, guys. All right, that's it for the problem for the day. I'll see you guys for tomorrow's problem. Bye!